Hi, it's Mercedes, and I'm going to show you how to get onto the British Council Nexus website, which is a really useful exercise to help you with your English learning. So we're just going to type in British Council Nexus and then press return, and you'll see that it comes up ESOL Nexus British Council, and we're going to click on it. And it comes up with it. This is the British Council website, ESOL Nexus. And these are all the things that you can do on the site. You can practice your skills, speaking, writing, listening, reading, pronunciation, numeracy. And you can practice your grammar and vocabulary, English grammar, beginners, grammar lesson, vocabulary and spelling. So you can scroll down the page and you'll see here there are different things. The skills, click on here. UK Life, that's just about learning about the culture and the history and the law. If you're working, you can learn about how to use English in your work. But we're going to pick on here, grammar and vocabulary. And we can click on this box here, and it will take you to grammar and vocabulary. And here there are lots of useful things that we can do. Vocabulary and spelling, grammar lessons, beginners, English grammar. So let's just pick on beginners and we'll see what topics they come up with here. So we've got here my first day at work, talking about work, finding your way around the hospital visit, writing a text message, how we travel, shopping, every day. This one we've done in class quite a few times. We could click on how we travel. And here, we've done this in class. You can watch the video by clicking on here. And then you can watch the slideshow resource and you can learn a little bit more about transport. Okay, I'm going to go back. And we can click on every day. And here again, you can start, watch the video, listen to the man talking, and learn a little bit about daily routines. We can also go across here and pick on any of these things. You can see that when I move over them, if it's something that we can look at, it will have a line underneath it. So we're going to look at my routines, adverbs of frequency, and we're going to click on that. And then up here, what will happen is the video will come up. And this lady's quite often talking about all of the things that she likes to do or where she lives. And we're just going to we can press play and listen to what she says. And then we can go down and do the tasks. So there's task 1. And that will ask us how many days does she go to work. And if we don't remember, we go back and we listen to the video. And we can see here we've got question 2, 3, 4, 5. Then submit and we can check our answer. That's task 1. Task 2, we have to put them in order that we hear the adverbs. Never, usually, always, occasionally, often. And then task 3, we can order the questions. I always get up at 6:15. And again, you can see number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. If we want to see what the woman in the video is saying, so that we're listening and reading, then you press the word transcript. And you will be able to read what she's saying as well as listen to it. So you can see this British ESOL Nexus website is really useful for lots of things that you might want to do. Have a little look yourself.